Learn common informal and formal verbs in English grammar with example sentences. Ask for. Request. May I request the document? Buy. Purchase. He purchased a vehicle last week. Call. Contact. He contacted the manager. Deal with. Handle. I will handle the issue. End. Terminate. They terminated the contract. Find. Discover. Scientists discovered a new planet. Go. Depart. The train departs at 9 a.m. Help. Assist. I will assist the director with the presentation. Imagine. Envision. Envision a world free from poverty and inequality. Join. Participate. He participated in the event. Keep. Retain. Please retain the document. Let. Permit or allow. Permit me to access the file. Mend. Repair. The mechanic will repair the engine. Need. Require. The analysis requires more data. Offer. Provide. We provide 24/7 technical support. Pick. Select or choose. Please select your preferred option. Quit. Resign. He resigned from his position. Run. Operate. To operate the machine, follow these steps. Show. Demonstrate. Demonstrate the procedure. Tell. Inform or notify. Did you inform the staff of the change? Use. Utilize. Can you utilize this instrument? Visit. Inspect. The supervisor will inspect the factory. Want. Desire. I desire to achieve this objective soon. Xerox. Photocopy. Could you photocopy this page? Yell. Exclaim. He exclaimed angrily, "This is impossible." Zoom. Speed. The sports car increased its speed along the highway. Thanks. Thank you very much. Formal versus informal language. Use formal language for business emails and reports. Use informal language for texts and chats with your friends. Academic writing and essays. Social media posts. Job applications and interviews. Casual conversations. Legal or official documents. personal notes or diaries. Informal versus formal verbs quiz or test. 1. Which informal verb best replaces purchase in casual conversation? A. Obtain. B. Buy. C. Acquire. D. Secure. 2. What is the informal version of assist in this sentence? Can you assist with the setup? A. Help. B. Do. C. Fix. D. Manage. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.